Here's a quick overview of how to use your calendar. Select Calendar from the top menu bar. It's easy to create an appointment. Simply click on New. Enter the details of your event and click Create. Your appointment will now appear in your calendar. If your plans change, you can update your calendar by clicking on the event and selecting Edit. Make your changes and then click Save. Click Today to return to the current day from any other calendar page. To quickly navigate between weeks, use the forward and back arrows beneath the toolbar. You can also navigate your calendar by clicking on the Calendar drop-down menu. Use forward and back to find specific dates. You can change the layout of your calendar by clicking on View. You have a variety of options to choose from. For more help with this or anything else, just visit talktalk.co.uk/help.